We're out here in Ellettsville today again. This is actually a done project that we did quite a few months back. This is their vanity top that we put in. It's got the Atlantic bowl with two single handled faucets. New vanity as well. We're actually back here now and we're doing their other two bathrooms. So we also, when we were here the first time, we put in a Onyx shower with a full height base. And on the inside we have the diamond recessed caddy there. Another diamond recessed caddy back here. See, we put in two intwist shower heads. It's got a diverter there and then the shower handle there, the faucet. And up on the top, we actually did the opposite color for the inside corner trim at the top, just to kind of finish it off, make it pop a little bit. And then of course, we always do the inside corner trim as well. The outside here is actually the slider door, but we did that in the rain finish, so that looks really nice. Again, we're back here to do their hall bath and their bathroom in their basement. So if you guys got any questions, feel free to call me. 317-617-3153 is my cell. Got any questions about the Onyx products, or you're looking at doing a project, give us a call. Thanks. Bye.